Namaste, Hamisha Khushro Bitia. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you organizational structure and human resource management. Today's topic is in subject of food project planning and entrepreneurship. Discipline is food and biotechnology. Now let's start the topic organizational design and organizational structure. First of all, organizational design, the determination of organizational structure that is appropriate for the strategy, people, technology and task for the organization. And organizational structures is the way in which an organization's activities are divided in organized and coordinated. Then organizational design. The classical approach is Frederick Taylor, that is 1911. One best way to accomplish the task, Henry Fayol, Principles of Management, Max Weber, Bureaucracy. The task technology approach, that is Woodward's research, classified organization based on the mode of technology. Then unit, mass and process. Woodward's research, first is unit. Unit is a manufacturer's custom-made products, tailor-made suit, turbine or anti-Avanti cars. Then the task technology approach, first is mass. Manufacturers would make large batch or mass-produced products, that is refrigerator, TV fans, Ford motors. The task technology approach is, first is process production, heavily automated continuous process providers, oils and chemical refiners, Reliance Petrochemicals, that is Al Jubail Petrochemical Plant in Saudi Arabia. Then the environmental approach, that is Burns and Stoker studied 20 organizations to determine how their organizational structure and managerial practices might differ based on different environmental conditions. They found organizational structure found in dynamic environment is very different from organizational structure found in static environment. Then the environmental approach, first is mechanistic structures, that is a form of organization that seeks to maximize internal efficiency. They perform routine tasks and slow in responding to unfamiliar. Then organic structure, an organization forms that emphasizes flexibility and adaptiveness. People work more as teammates than as subordinates. Influence based on knowledge than authority. Then loosely defined responsibilities. Emphasis on exchanging information than giving directions. Then characteristics and mechanist and organic. This is the comparing mechanist and organic structure. In mechanist structure, there is a task definition is rigid, and in organic structure, it is flexible. In communication, in mechanist structure, it is vertical, and organic structure, it is lateral. Formalization, it is high in mechanist and low in organic structure. And influence in mechanist structure is authority, and organic structure, it is expertise. Then control is centralized in mechanist structure, and organic diverse in organic structure. Then formal and informal organization. Formal organization is a setup of roles for the achievement of organization goals. Reporting channels and job description is rigid. Accountability and responsibility are fixed for the formal organization. In informal organization, formation is ad hoc and follows no structure. They generally share same interest, ideas or information. They do not contribute directly to organization goals. Tall and flat organizational structure, there is a span of control that defines the number of people that one person will supervise. There may be narrow span or a wide span of control. Total span of control is 4, total employees is 4096, and managers at the level 1 to 6 is 1365. And same in the span of control of 8, total employees 4096, managers at each level there is a 4. Then 1 minus 4, 1 to 4 is 585. Difference in managers equal to 780. Then matrix structure, there is an executive, there is a program office, program coordinators, executive committee, staff service, And then there is a project director, project 1, project 2, functional group A, functional group B, functional group C, and functional group C, D. The network structure. Workers or worker groups contribute to multiple organizational tasks. Work groups are reconfigured when the tasks change. Relationship among groups are governed by the requirement of the tasks. Then responsibility, authority, and accountability. Responsibility is the one's obligation to perform the function assigned to the best of one's ability in accordance with directions received. Key principle to be considered is the delegation should improve organization working. No two employees should be assigned the same responsibility. The boundaries of the responsibility should be fixed. Organizational cannot afford gap in the delegation chain. Then authority refers to the right to give orders and power of to exact obedience from others in the process of discharging duties. It enables managers to act, exert influence, and make decisions in carrying out their responsibilities. Accountability is an employee's answerability on using the authority in discharging a responsibility is termed as accountability. Then line and staff function. Line function is the department or employees of the firm that performs core activity that contributes to its business directly. And staff functions is the department or employees of the firm that performs a support function that contributes to its business indirectly. Then line and staff conflict. Expectations and complaints from the line, that is the HR staff don't see the whole picture. HR staff try to steal the limelight. HR does not provide the right support. And expectation and complaints from staff, that is the line function is prejudiced and biased, doesn't understand importance of developing the employees, and does not value contribution of HRD. This is the role of HRD in an organization. Basically, HRD, Human Resource Department, is the facilitator, change of agent, controller, and specialist. And human resource management and other organization function, it leads to the production, marketing, technology, and products. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.